Okay, now we are on page 132. We're going to look at using the passive in academic writing, which is probably the most important use of it. Okay, making writing cohesive. Cohesive means hangs together or sticks together. And in a cohesive paragraph, each sentence connects smoothly to the sentences before and after it, and the passive is one of several techniques that writers can use to make a connection between sentences. So, for example, in the paragraph below, the writer connects the sentences by keeping the focus on the same topic. Dr. Bell, his research, Dr. Bell. To do this, the writer uses a passive form in the third sentence. Dr. Bell is one of our most prominent scientists, means important. His research focuses on the role of the environment in the development of cancer. Because of the importance of his work, Dr. Bell was honored with a research award last night. And here the passive is used in a sentence that has cohesiveness with the sentence before it. Okay. In the paragraph below, the writer connects the sentences by using the new information in the first sentence, which is 209 compositions, as the subject of the next sentence, all of the compositions. To do this, the writer uses a passive form in the second sentence. So the researchers selected 209 compositions for the study. All of the compositions were written in 50-minute class sessions. Okay, still talking about using the passive in academic writing. The passive is often used in academic writing, especially in the sciences, where the focus is more on what happened than on who did something. Using the passive gives the impression that the person doing the research is unimportant. It suggests that the results of the research will be the same for anyone. So for this study, 107 young adults were divided into 3 groups. For 3 weeks, they all drank the same type of coffee. Then the participants were randomly assigned to different groups, and each of these groups was given a different type of coffee. So we're not saying exactly who did all this because we want to emphasize that anyone who does this will get the same result. Okay, and the section C, a parallel structure. In a sentence with a series of verbs, it's important to be consistent or parallel, means going together, all passive or all active verbs. So for each composition, the errors were counted, classified, and later analyzed. Okay, for each composition, the errors were counted, classified, and later they analyzed them. That doesn't work because this structure doesn't go with this structure. If you start out in the passive, you want to stay in the passive for the whole sentence.